introduce ang kaning on the background na ang smart lang o mga professionals na sila. Gusto nila introduce sila sa ang mga voices sa narration.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Lorene Cababo Caburacan. I come from Tampines, Zamboanga del Sur. I have two kababayans over there. I was once a member of this group, but since I grow older, so I feel like I don't belong. But I'm so glad that I have the opportunity to still serve the Lord through narration. So I'll give my time to her.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Vanras J. Junicio, so I'm also a graduate 6 years ago from Iligan. So I also graduated last year, so got one more graduate. I'm a postgraduate intern at Cagayan NMMC, so I'll be preparing for my board exam this year. So I praise God for the opportunity to join this time sa youth choir, kay Libingon with youth choir, kami kay Lupin Penny. So it's a pleasure to have fellowship with you all this afternoon sa ato ang concert. God bless you all.
Lastly, our operator.
Hello there. I am Ian Zachary Hagas. I am from Cagayan and currently studying at the MCC at the Medical Center College. So I'm still a second year student and I sing computer. Actually, I'm a member of this group, pero I'm inactive. So fortunately, nakauban ko kayo last night take operate. So I sing computer. Thank you.
Kamay lang ako before we end. Ako as elder of the church, it's really sad on my part. Kay sila na mga bata noon, makita na naman sila nag-grow. Dilang. Makita naman first year, and then fourth year, and then makawa sila sa church. Kay trabaho naman. So just like Lorraine, she's planning to go to Korea for we are praying for you, Lorraine. And then ang isa ka, doktor na ni Puhon. And then others, ako ba na mo, pati ka po na nasa Davao. For once before, they were there sa musical church serving our church. So, sa ako, malipay ko, manay makulin, masan ko kayo, makawa na. No? Nabilang kanya mga fourth year, there are many here who are fourth year students. But I hope na magpastiral pa sila sa ITR, madugay gamay, ilang stay sa Iligan. Kaya we are so blessed with these people. Without these young people, I think there's something with our church would be different without them. So, in behalf of Iligan City Central Church, I would like to thank you also for these young people for giving their talents for the Lord and for the church. So, thank you for staying with us tonight. I think it's already evening. I request everyone to stand up for our closing prayer.